Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you some tips for Windows 11 performance. So if you want to get the best performance on your Windows 11 computer, you might be considered this following tips. The first one is the hardware optimization. You can try to upgrade your RAM. By adding more can significantly boost performance, especially if you need it for multitasking and demanding applications. And you can also replace your traditional hard drive with an SSD for faster boot times, application loading, and overall system responsiveness. And you can also update your drivers to ensure your graphics card, network adapter, and other hardware drivers are up to date to avoid compatibility issues and optimize performance. And the second one is the software tweaks. So you can clean up your startup by removing unnecessary programs from the startup list. You can also disable the background apps. You can minimize the number of apps running in the background and adjust the power settings. You can choose a balanced or performance-oriented power plan to prioritize performance over battery life. You can also use Task Manager like this to monitor resources usage and close unnecessary process to free up CPU, memory, and disk space. You can see the percentage in here. You can see what apps or what program has taken most of your CPU or memory. And you can also defragment HDD if applicable. For additional tips, you need to keep your Windows updated, so install the latest Windows updates. And you can also use a lightweight antivirus, because by choosing a lightweight antivirus solution that doesn't consume excessive resources, it might save your Windows 11 performance. You can also avoid bloatware and uninstall unnecessary pre-installed apps to free up space. And you can also consider overclocking with caution. If you have experience and are comfortable with the risk, overclocking your CPU or GPU can boost performance, but it can also lead to instability. So by following this tip, I hope you can optimize your Windows 11 computer's performance and enjoy a smoother and more responsive experience. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye!